trying to build a house while being a dog dad.
What are you doing? Hey, stop digging holes. Stop making a mess. Stop making a mess. Good. Cash, what are you doing? Dude, stop digging holes, boy.